Dimpy, what you got there, huh? Is that good, Dimpy? Oh, wow, he just woofed down his second chicken drumstick. Hi, Ninja. You hungry, baby? Yeah. Oh, somebody is really getting set for winter there. Look at Scarlet. Yeah. Just put weight on. That's good. Hi, Miss Scarlet. You doing good? Is that good? Scarlet. Bianca. Hey, baby bee. You happy? You got to see a cute little dog before, huh? It's really not that dark out. It just, oh, there's Crab House. It's not Crab Owl anymore. They put the H back. I wouldn't recommend it. Just saying. Yeah, here's our dog. Who's that, Jet? Hi, Jet. What's the word, Jet? What are those cute little noises you're making? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We'll see you later. Bye.